Here is my honest review of taking Hikari since December of last year. I took it religiously, 2 tablets a day, and ang significant na difference na nakita ko within a month of taking it is mas naging confident ako to show my skin. So kung napansin nyo, mas madalas na ako nagsisleeveless, mas confident ako na magpakita ng arms, ng skin, kasi mas nakita ko na nag-even yung skin tone, it brightened, and nag-lighten, and also iba yung glow na nakikita ko sa mga pictures and videos. So when I compare it, nag-upgrade talaga yung skin. So isa sa mga nakita kong significant difference ng pag-take ng Hikari Aurum because it has emothione, which is 5 times ng effect ng isang glutathione. So parang this is really the gold standard of taking something that can enhance your skin quality, make you look fresh, young, and hindi lang yung maputi na parang maputla, but it's a kind of maputi na nag-glow. So para kang may sariling ring light. Kaya if you notice, since December and January and hanggang February, mas confident na ako ngayon na maglabas ng skin. Dahil aside from working out, pinapaganda ko na rin yung skin ko from within para yung glow is inside out.